Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline i96 with a call alert on a brand new 2024 Mercedes GLC. So how the system works, obviously under attack, someone closes his key, jumps in, starts the vehicle, vehicle starts, bang, they think they're away. As soon as they put it into gear, the car will try and cut out, the car will cut out, and then eventually it will actually come to a complete kill. So if you watch carefully, there you go, complete kill. Vehicle's shut down, and now if you watch carefully, we're getting a call. The vehicle is under attack. So let's just answer it and end it. Okay. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, standard procedure is start the vehicle up. Obviously, we're getting all these malfunction codes because obviously it's actually been attacked. But normally, what you generally do is start the vehicle up, insert the code, which we're going to change after the video. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, and select a gear. Okay. So normally, if we do it normally, you'll see. Let's just turn the ignition off. We'll open and close the door. Takes about 10 seconds for it to set. So let's just start the vehicle in the normal way. Hasn't been attacked. Jump in. Start the vehicle. Insert your code. Receive our melody. There you go. And then we can select a gear and drive away. Okay, really simple and really straightforward to use. So what we're having at the moment is someone's jumping in, thieves are jumping in. They're actually starting the vehicle up. They're seeing it's immobilised, and then they're ripping the car to pieces, causing thousands and thousands of pounds worth of damage. So we're just trying to reduce that by, in the moment, straight away, you know the vehicle's being attacked. So say, for example, now we want to take it for a service and we want to put it in valley mode. And we're using a push sequence at the moment. We're not using the phone, even though you can pair it to your phone. We're going to show you how you do that. So without starting the vehicle, tap the ignition to main ignition on. Make sure your yellow and your red lights are on. Pass authorization by inserting the code. Receiving our melody. There you go. Then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start button off. Pause and back on to main ignition. There we go, 2 bleeps. Now the system is now in valley mode. So I'll give it 10 seconds. So normally it would immobilise itself. So what we're going to do, we're just going to jump in, start the vehicle. Let's just start the vehicle now. So main ignition on. Vehicle's running. Watch carefully, put it into gear. Okay? Vehicle runs, no problem at all. When we've got the vehicle back from a car wash or a service, what we do again is without starting the vehicle, main ignition on. Make sure your yellow and your red lights are on. And then just put your code in. And listen for there you go, double bleep, and it's out of valley mode. Okay, I mean, we have got other videos on how to change the code, but we're just showing you basically the call alert system on the brand new 2024 Mercedes GLC. Hope you found this video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478, and this is the new Starline i96 Pro with call alert. Thank you, bye bye.